Okay, I'm back with another video. I don't know what happened to the video I did about the importance of having a computer antivirus protection program on a Windows-based computer. Apparently something's up with my system, so I'm doing another take of this video. I'm going to try to be as brief as possible given the time, and I'm feeling quite tired and I need to go to bed now. So on with this topic, and why is it important to have a antivirus protection program on your computer. Well, it's like the old expression of American Express. You don't want to leave home without your credit card, or leave home without it, is what they're saying. So basically, you need an antivirus protection program to, in some cases, protect yourself from not necessarily hackers, but viruses that can really mess up your computer to a point where it's inoperable, in some cases unable to be fixed by a technician. So the reason why I bring up this video, I haven't really done a tech video in a while because I've been busy with other things and dealing with some personal family related issues and stuff that's going on that I'm trying to see a clear picture. But last week I was asked to do a call to do a virus scan because the client had suspected a virus on the machine. Lo and behold, it was one of those FBI ransom viruses. How did this person got it? Well, it's quite obvious, like I was saying about antivirus. They thought they didn't have an antivirus protection program, but apparently they had something that worked like an antivirus protection program, and it's usually called Microsoft Security Essentials, which acts like an antivirus, and if you keep it up to date, it will work well like any other antivirus protection program that's available that you can pay for, or even a free one such as AVG. But the thing hasn't been updated since August of last year, so it's what, now it's January, it's about 5 or 6 months ago. So in any given time since that time it was last updated, that's probably how they got the viruses and all this mini malware. So of course I've researched it online, the ways to remove it. So I tried the steps, and for some reason the way the system was set up, the computer, it wasn't allowing me to go into safe mode, with F8, and I tried everything to get into it properly to get to the computer without having to either take it out or take the machine out and work on it off site. But I had to end up doing it because I couldn't get into safe boot. So I plugged the hard drive onto an external enclosure. Within a matter of minutes, AVG picked up at least 25 to 30 or so Trojan horses and other kinds of viruses and malware that was found on the machine. And also, Malwarebytes found some malware, at least 15 known infections. So, of course, I ran the cleaner and it cleaned it up. So I was able to boot into Windows without having that ransom virus scan virus pop up on the desktop, preventing me from getting onto the internet. So that was good in ways, but I had to kind of like undo what the virus had already done to the machine. Like in this case, it wiped out the firewall, not saying wiped out, but it just disabled the firewall, disabled automatic updates. There's some other nasty stuff that it wasn't supposed to do. So this is what I'm saying, folks, you gotta have antivirus. It's important in any Windows-based computer. If you're gonna use Windows, please have antivirus protection program on it. Make sure you keep your subscriptions up to date to the latest updates, and make sure you have a current license or current subscription with the antivirus company that you choose to go by or choose to use for your antivirus protection program. There's many programs out there you can use. I use AVG on my Windows-based machines because it's not only free, but also I haven't had any problems with AVG, and a lot of people seem to like it. Even the paid licenses, people seem to like it as well. And it's lightweight, and it's not as resource hungry as McAfee and Norton, all those other antivirus programs that are out there. I'm not trying to endorse or plug it AVG, but if you just do your research, folks that are watching this video, you see for yourself what I'm talking about. But anyways, not only keep your antivirus protection program up to date, but also keep Windows updates updated as well, because part of the issues with a lot of these computers, they're not being updated properly, they're not being well maintained, and that's how things happen. Then you have to call a technician that's going to charge you an arm and a leg just to get that virus off and to update your system so it won't happen again. It gets pretty costly. So word to the wise, folks, if you have a Windows-based computer, keep your antivirus protection program up to date. You won't have any major problems if you keep it up to date and keep your system well maintained. That's all I have to say on that. Please feel free to leave a comment or ask me a question. Until then, be safe out there on the internet and what you do online with the computer. And until then, take care. Have a great day and have a great night and good morning to all that's still up. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning now, so I better get going. Until then, take care. Peace.